Alright guys, so welcome back to this video. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. So let's actually create something with our smartphone. Right now, we're actually create a simple social media flyer on our phone, and we're going to be using Pixellab to do that. So you just need to be able to create your shape like I just did, and then make sure you put in your square. Let everything work out perfectly, and that should do for you. So you can just put the adjustment by using the max to create that kind of curve shape, and then you just need to click on out and you can just bring it down. As you can see what just happened, so you just need to lock the layer. You can now write in a text, so we'll just use S. So this S is just like a texture in which we are using to create that kind of a field at the back. So I'm going to be using Cinzel, and then we're just going to maybe color it gray, but let me just check gray color right now. So I think this gray color works very well. Reduce the opacity a little bit and take it to the back. As you can see, I've just been saving our project to 25. So if you have actually been on 100 this challenge, you should know that's what you're actually doing. You can just go over to my Telegram community and download the resources there. You can also join for quick updates which I'm going to be dropping on that channel. So you can just be able to import your image like I just did, and then you just need to put everything to the right position. Let there be a space on top, and then you can just write in a text to do that for you. So you just need to put in the active 24/7, reactive 24/7, and then you can just put in the sections right now. So I actually love starting design from the down before I move on to the up, because it will be enable me to know the shape and sizes of how it will look. So if you are starting with a design that the bottom is actually going to be having all the information, I will actually start with that, so you know how the section will look. So you can just be able to put in the image right now, put in the color, then do the adjustment and then duplicate it. Then you can just write another Gmail and then just put in there. You can just make it white, and then you can just duplicate another one, so, and that should do that for you. So you can just put in stand us, or sorry, not stand, send us a DM. So it's kind of, so if you're actually to this point, make sure you actually hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, because we're turning on the 100 days challenge. So if you're new here, you can also check other videos that were down below. So you can just be able to do the adjustment, put in the WhatsApp number there, and then just do it, put another WhatsApp number, and then take it down again. Then you can just raise everything up, and then it should work that for you. So I think this is amazing, guys. So just do the adjustment again, let it work for you like this. So adjust it a little bit, as you can see. So you can actually zoom in, or if it's actually too fast for you, you can just reduce the speed there and keep the pitch. So you can just import this wallet icon, and then you can just be able to put in your colors. So we're just using a gradient, adjust the gradient a little bit. So you can just use any color picker to do this, or maybe if you're looking at the file, you can screenshot it, this section, then you can check the color, or you can just adjust the position of where that cycle is to get your type of color. So I'm just using all the colors from my head, not that it's actually having the color code. So you can just using the hue to work on it, make the adjustment a little bit, and then you can add in the stroke. So when you are done, you can just put in follow the exchange, exchange, and then you can just put the adjustment there. Let it have it. So you can just save your layer, and you can just import this Amazon gift card. So we'll just be importing the Amazon gift card voucher. We like all this voucher, so let's just say Amazon gift card. So you can just be able to put in like a shadow. So the mistake I made right now, which I'm seeing, is having that kind of another gray overlay at the back. So let's duplicate it, and then we'll remove the background again. So let's duplicate it, remove the background, and then we can just be able to add another white layer, and that should do. So you can just open another layer again, and then you can just import this, what am I going to call this? You can call it like a city. Then you just need to make it saturation and then reduce the blackness. So I'm going to use that. So you can now create sections of rectangle and then give it gradient for all. So you can just make sure you put everything. So that place where we're going to put in the crypto logos and everything to give it that kind of fit. So you can use this like a billboard also. You can put it on billboard, maybe poster in school. If you are into all this, you can just use it as well, or you can actually design it for a client. And I think you can also draft inspiration from this also, if you're not really going to follow the design like that. So those are the adjustments. And then you can just duplicate it again, take it to the back, and then you can just go to your gallery once you are done. So let's just adjust this Bitcoin logo a little bit. And we'll just import this USDT logo. So import this BNB logo too. So I'm actually doing this slowly so you guys grab this and understand really quick. So you can just do the adjustment and that should do. So you can now follow the colors to match the logos, as you can see it is. So each one of them, even the blue one, you can make it a dark blue, a light blue on the bottom, they make it a dark blue at top. So like I just did. So this is actually good. So right now we'll now create like a shadow for the icons to rest on it and reduce the opacity very well. So you can just be able to duplicate this again. So just duplicate it for all of them. So I'm actually working on it, that's why it's like that. So just do it, then take it down, then you can just adjust it, and I think this is good. So you can just put in the title, so you can just name them. You can use black for red colors like this, you can use black. Then for blue colors like this, you can use white. Then you can actually use BNB, as you can see. So we're now writing the main text on it. So we're just writing we're using the simple. So why I'm using the simple font, because I don't want to be stressing myself and looking for fonts. So I just want it to be a simple design like social media, as I'm actually using Pompis. Most people don't like using Pompis, so you can use any font available for you. And if you don't also know how to add font on Pixellab, you can just tell me and I'll try and make a video on that. So you can decide to change the color to actually matching the design, but anyone that works well for you. So you just need to create that kind of white overlay there to make it pop. Then I'm just going to write in the crypto exchange and the rest, as you can see. So you can just create a simple logo. So I'm just trying to create a simple logo like because with the logo, so it works. So if I tell you it far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like video, share this video, and I will see you in my next video.